Roma. Okay lang, naglalaba. Naglalaba ka pala? Tony? Totoo ba yan? Oh, it's a joke. Hello, Roma. Opulence. Mami Mel, oo, nag-work kasi ako kaninang morning. Oh, nice. Wala kang tagalaba? Dapat meron kang tagalaba. Sa sobrang yaman mong yan, ikaw pa naglalaba. Mrs. Mami Mel. Chris A. Minimo. Thank you for subscribing. Enjoy your stickers. Dami na natin subscribers. 85 na. Nice. Kasaya na naman araw ko na. You have a great day, Mami Mel. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe dyan, kung gusto nyo po ng ganitong mga stickers, please mag-subscribe na po kayo. Kasi may maraming stickers dyan, mga ganito. Oh. Tapos ganito pa yung mga letters. Ganyan. Gusto nyo ba yung ganyan? O ganyan? Mag-subscribe na kayo. Sige na. Huwag na kayo mahiya. Mian, hello. Thank you Thank you for subscribing. Chris, appreciate you. Rods, Ruby, Prime, hello. Nag-relive ba si Chef after end-live niya kagabi? Hello, Ferl. Hello, Ferl. Thank you for joining my team, Rods. Mrs., ba't nagluluha na naman yung mata mo? Ano na naman nangyari? Nasundot ko nung naglalagay ako ng moisturizer. Nasundot ko yung mata ko. Dito. Mag-review ka muna, Ruby. Masang positin. Baka tulog pa po. Chef, out ka na para may magawa kami dito sa bahay. Love you. Carmela, hello. Grabe naman si Carmela. Pinag-out niya na ako. Kakastart ko palang mag-live. Wala daw siya magawa sa bahay kapag nanonood siya sa akin. Mac and Honey, hello. Romel Pineda, hello. Aji, Jejiplax, Saput. Mukha mo Joshua Garcia. Salamat. It's me, Osrit. Yung boses niya talaga napaka-soft. Hello. Mami Maddie, good morning. I want to shout out all the subscribers who are here tonight. Mian, Prime, Mami Mel, Ferl, Tony G, Roma, Babak Marie, Mrs. and Ruby. Bakit wala na po si Tin sa live niyo po? Wala. Alam nga naman 24/7 siyang nandito sa live ko. Siyempre magkaiba kami ng oras. Noemi, Taurus, Joji, are you been Middle East, Dubai or Bahrain? Dubai, you've been in Dubai. Rosalie, Diana, naimbag ng bigat. Hello, DL, DL. Wait nga. Hanap tayo ng makakausap natin.
Diyan ay gabi, natin ay magka...
Kala ko ba matutulog siya? Tulog naman. Tulog naman tayo maya-maya. Papantok lang tayo ng konti. Paulo, hello. Ching. What happened to your eyelid? May kuliti ako. Kaya lang, ang tagal na yan, hindi gumagaling. Ewan ko ba dyan? Kung ano nangyayari dyan sa kuliti na yan. Pero lumiit naman na. Hi, Jenny.
Thank you. I appreciate your roses. Mary Rose.
I think so.
I appreciate.
Tagasan ka, Jenny. Pinunutan ko na, 5 pa nga sa dulo ko.
Send it to me first before you sleep. Yawa, matulog naman ka na. Good night naman yung di ba? Snipe me to me first before you sleep.
May manay na bunot kong pilit mata. Nag-ano na yan eh. Alam mo yung nag-knock na siya. Lumabas na yung parang dugo. Tas tubig. Akala ko gagaling na. Hindi pa naman. Nilalagyan ko ng ointment. Lalo namang umaano. Hot compress. Pagod na ako mag-hot compress. Hot compress na lang palagi. Hindi naman siya natatanggal. Nakakapagod na mag-hot compress. Pa-opera ko na yata. Kalbo po kasi ako kaya ako nakabuli.
Alam ko. Are you famous?
No.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Where you from?
Philippines.
Philippines din ako.
Oh, Philippines. Saan parte sa Philippines po?
Pangasinan. Gumawa ka na. Hindi ko naman hinawa ka na. Talagang ayaw niya malis. Naiinis na ako. Saan ka sa Philippines?
Dito po sa Ilocos, sa Vegan.
Nilocano ka magaya?
True. Malala.
Mayat.
Aman.
May mas timpanaday dito. Naraman.
Alang papay nagitilong ganisa.
Longganisa, kahit ko longganisa, mamimiss ko.
Spanish girls are never accepting me to my life. Oh my god.
Look, boy, I don't need a cardi. I'm captain, I lead the army.
Where you from?
What's up, bro?
Good. Where you from?
Girl from India.
Ano ba yan? Palit.
Nakapangka dito yan, ayam ni.
Di. Bayagin.
Nagsubli ka man nila.
Nakwento na ako. Nakwento pa. Bayag pa eh.
Na?
Bayag pa eh makakasubli.
Ang payayan mo.
Tuyak Pangasinan.
So, guys.
Palo ng araw da. Mabalin.
When?
Ay, baby ko to. Lastog ka siya. Lastog siya
Nagano?
din. Nyaga po nga glastuga.
Sino?
Siyak ka no, lastugak ka no.
Kaya malalastugan ang apa kanya. So, gusto.
Ma. Donna. Oh, no. Sige nga doon. Kani.
When?
Nat-compress ko na yan. Wala pa rin. Talagang ayaw niya umalis. Diyan lang siya. Ano na yun? Ewan ko ba dyan kung ano nangyari? Naliligo naman ako umaga tanghali gabi. Ay, umaga at gabi. Tapos nagilamos pa ako ng tanghali. Oo nga, lumaki nga ulit eh. Ewan ko ba dyan? Pag hindi ko alam kung saan siya natitrigger. Wala naman akong ginagawa. Lagi ko namang hinihilamusan. Tapos, tinanggalan ko ng buhok. Tapos nagnana. Tapos, naligo ako, natanggal yung nana. E di, tumulo siyang ganun. Lagyan ko ng ointment. Tapos lumiit. Tapos mamaya gumaganyan na naman. Ewan ko ba dyan? Pisitam. Tipay cut. Naiinis na nga ako eh. Pa-opera ko na yata yan. Tagal-tagal matanggal. Where you from?
Nakasan ka?
Where you from?
Ba't ang gwapo mo? Cha.
Nagasan ka?
Lynn. Hi. Shit.
Nagasan ka?
Zamboanga.
Chabacano.
Ikaw?
Chabacano.
Ha?
Chabacano.
Chabacano.
Patingin nga dyan sa paligid mo.
Dapat ka mag-invite.
Kung saan na?
Kaya ikaw ang nag-live.
Pwede ta friend?
Hindi magpagkagit na gyapon na ang friend natin.
Sir. Nakunsa ka?
Okay naman.
Ang gwapo mang ka.
Kaya puno na akong kuha.
Salamat.
Init ka mong ilong. Sana all gwapo.
Picture na, videoan.
Lamion lagi ka uy. I mean title band. Gwapo man siya daw.
Anong pangalan mo?
Taga-asa ka.
Gasinan.
Saan sa Pangasinan? Lingayen?
Alaminos.
Ha?
Alaminos.
Alaminos. Malayo. Finalo kita. Saan naman palubak mo ako, Char?
Sige. Patingin nga dyan sa paligid mo dyan. Nasaan ka ba?
Ha?
Saan ka ba?
Zamboanga.
Hindi, saang lugar ka? Patingin nga sa paligid mo.
Busy.
May restaurant? Catering? Ganon? Nasa restaurant ka?
Ha?
Sa restaurant ka? Nasa restaurant?
Oo, sa restaurant. Kasama kong maganda.
Oo nga eh. Gaganda nyo nga eh.
Naghahanap siya ng kasing gwapo mo.
I-video na mo. Bongga man, every MOBs. Picture.
Ano gawa mo?
Matutulog na. Gabi na eh.
Aga naman.
Gabi na dito?
Sa abroad ka? Sana all sa abroad.
Smile.
Gwapo mo talaga.
Laman.
Mahal na talaga kita kasi hindi mo ako mahal.
Tay tayo dyan.
Joke lang. Ano mahal?
Ano trabaho mo dyan?
Wala, ito nakaupo lang.
Hi. Asa ba dito? Ipuan da i-brand.
Ayaw, wala, pwede pag ginanay-nanay.
Pwede naman gulce.
Kasi ito, ala sa paano.
Oy.
Fran,
Ako? Wala. Ano ba?
may jowa na yan. Hindi, may jowa ka na, dam.
Hoy, tumigil kayo dyan. Ang daming nagko-comment na naman dyan ha.
Ano yung ibakbak? Ano yung ibakbak ninyo? May jowa na daw siya.
Medyo.
Oo, may jowa na ako.
Alalahanin mo, asawa nga maagaw, jowa pa kaya. Asa ba i-brand tayo?
Ay, mag-video dahil. Flip camera, pero uy, hala tayo ba pwede? Uy, balik di ba na pwede ka na? Kung dahil dahil ibakbali.
Pwede naman good.
Uy, di man pwede dahil. Pwede ka ba na? Dahil kung tumiti matawag sa kasi As? Basta, alalahanin mo future mo. Ay, kung gaman, walang agaw sa chef man. Ay, ganun. Nakakatakot man.
Unsa naman? Na-troubleshooting?
Ni.
Kapalo sa kata sa kunsa ta?
Oo, na-whisper dyan since ni.
Eh.
Bong ka lang kuhan, bong ka lang ito. Pwede, dali, kanin mo. Ano, galit man lang siya.
Nagtitraining kayo sa DESO Technical Support Staff para sa eleksyon?
Marami sa mga.
Hindi ka deso, ano talaga?
Labihib lang daw, pwede ka.
Kasi babe, marami kami nakaabang dito, bihib lang po ato.
Nabihib ka lang.
Sa'yo na siya. Ayaw namin ng gulo. Sa'yo na siya, madam. Dalawang kamay, ibibigay namin. Ibo.
Ayaw namin ng gulo.
Sana all. Sana all may jowa. Si chef. Siguro sarap na siya magluto.
Parang ako. Parang ako lang yan.
May manunuyo na naman mamaya. Hay! Ate, asa mo siya uyang?
Teacher. Mga teacher kayo.
Ay, halos saan siya? Wala, isang hulma lang ang type ni chef. Anong klaseng hulma?
Teachers kayo? Teachers kayo? Teachers sila ganyan.
May training kami, mga ABs.
Halos saan siya?
Hindi naman ipakita ang mga secrets.
Marambos ka, oh. Ipakita ko wallpaper mo ka. Alam mo? Sino yan? Jowa mo yan, Sir Chef? Jowa mo yan? Marami mang galit.
Sana, na-troubleshoot.
Bakit yan sila galit?
Hindi yan sila galit.
Ay, gano'n.
Hindi.
Saan yung picture ng jowa mo?
Ha?
Kayo pa daw ni Ems.
Hoy, ano kayo, behave.
Alam, ang dami. Ay! Kilala mo si Jessie. Ay, ganun. Sorry. Sa inyo na siya.
Tumugod mga jowa mo sa kabila, chef. Beso.
Agawin mo na si Chef. Ayoko. Ako siya agawin. Para actual na dito. Oo. Hindi ko naman siya inaagaw. Diyan.
Sige na, sir. Nice meeting you. Bye-bye. Ang susungit nyo, ha? Ang susungit nyo. Ang susungit nyo, ha?
Hi, Chef.
Kay Ivan.
Hi, Chef Maiko. How are you po?
Good. I'm good.
Good morning po, boss. Sing
Morning. Good morning. Taga saan ka?
Philippines.
Saan sa Philippines? Sa Philippines din naman ako.
From Cebu. You're Philippines, but your outfit looks like from another country. Alam ko, nasa ibang
Pangasinan.
bansa ka ngayon. Di ba, no? Nasa ibang bansa ka ngayon.
Sino nagsabi?
Hindi, nakita ko lang yung ano mo, yung atake mo, yung aura mo eh.
Hindi sa aura lang yan, pero nandito ako sa Pangasinan.
Okay. Kala ko kasi may ano, nakita ko yung ano mo, Chef, Philippines, tapos ano ba yan?
Ano
USA.
lang yan? Gawa-gawa lang yan?
Humble mo, no?
Oo nga.
Display match. Humble mo talaga, no?
Oo nga.
Display match, accept that match, okay? Madami pa ng tao, sikat pala to kasi may ano, 64K, oh, dami pong tao, no? Guys,
Hindi,
everyone, guys, tapos ko. Oh, sikat mo, meron kang 580 viewers.
wala. Stalker.
Gamit ko account ko eh. Bago ka na nag-live. Kaya, kasi may ano ka pa eh, nasa leagues, nasa USA talaga, tingnan mo, lumalabas yung universe dito, sa akin wala. Bolong. Yung daily ranking mo, ibaw.
Galing. Talino. Ano?
Sabi ito, may jowa yan. Bakit?
May jowa yan.
Sikat, diba?
Bakit yung pasasabihin dyan? Grabe.
Okay. Grabe kayo. Tao mo to, no? Dami mo palang tao pupunta dito sa akin.
Kaya nga.
Magaling ka magluto.
Sakto lang. Hindi na masyado.
Chef to eh, chef. Si Chef Allen. Oh, magaling talaga ito magluto, guys. Content creator, luto pala to. Si Lodi. Grabe ka, Lods. Gogi. Yung, napakano. May jowa. Bakit? Ano ba to? Ba't ganyan yung mga ano nyo?
Behave.
Saver.
Tap your screens. Behave kayo dyan.
Babe, grabe. Behave.
Babak na rin. Thank you. Gifter target. 5 gifters.
Malaki yan.
Kahit ano lang.
Everyone, 10 roses, guys. Isimbong mo kay Justin. Sino si Justin?
Kahit na roses lang.
Justin Braille, jowa niya. Okay, let's see. Justin Braille. Stalk natin Justin. Braille. Ano ba yun? Ano spelling? Braille. Okay. Let's see. Jowa mo daw si Justin Braille. Sabi ng mga ano dito, ang dami nila nag ano.
Sira ulo kayo talaga. Kung ano na yung
Ito.
sinasabi nyo. Ilalayag nyo
Jowa.
talaga sa buong mundo.
Gagi, ano ba to? Ba't nagjo-joke ng mga tao dito? Bakit? Gagi kayo, bakit nag-trip kayo? Ivan, gusto mo motor? Motor jack, what is that?
Motor jack.
Gagi.
Baliw.
Gagi.
Motor jack. Visit kayo. Tumigil nga kayo. Bumalik kayo dito.
Bakit? Oy, ano ba yung mga tao mo? Gusto mo kotse? Ano ba to? Evan, gusto mo kotse? Sige, bibigyan niyo ako kotse. Coaching in... Uy, wag basta. Mike and Justin, grabe ang ano nito, mga wild yung mga tao mo.
Guys, bumalik nga kayo dito.
Balik kayo. Gusto mo bahay at
Mag-babe kayo mga mahal. Dito lang kayo. Huwag kayong
Gusto nyo bahay at lupa. Gagi ka talaga.
Mga mahal, dito lang. Huwag kayong tatawid. Huwag kayong tatawid sa ilaw.
Guys, hi Ivan. Hello po.
Kutsinta. Visit.
Gagi talaga itong ano nito, no?
Si Mrs. nag-aalok ng Mrs. nag-aalok ka daw ng motor.
May magbibigay ng house and lot sa akin dito. Oh. Grabe, totoo ba to? Sige, pumunta ako. Bibigyan ka namin lupa, pero nasa sako. Ano? Sige.
Pinuksa nyo naman siya. Wag
Grabe,
nyo puksain.
napaka-joker na mga ano mo dito ah.
Huwag nyo puksain. Guys.
Search mo, Maiko and Justin. Sino yan? Lupa, nasa kuko. Grabe lang. Grabe ka, ang wild nyo, ang wild ng mga ano.
Guys, huwag nyo puksain. Nagmana sa akin yung mga yan.
Okay.
Mababait yung mga yan, pero mapagbiro. Nagmana sa akin yung mga yan.
Kutsi, pero drawing. Gagi ka talaga. Thank you, Chet. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Tumigil nga kayo. Nakakaya. Kung ano na yung sinasabi nyo. Mahirapan tayo dyan. Mahirapan din kayo dyan. Hindi nyo yan kayang kausapin. Hindi nyo yan kayang kausapin. Kaya dito na, maghanap na tayo iba. Gusto nyo yan? Gusto nyo yan? Hindi nyo yan kaya. Wag.
Taga saan ka po?
Pangasinan.
Mariwasi po yung po.
Next tayo. Ayoko malungkot. Ayoko na malungkot. Saglit. Kami ni Mami. Hi. Where are you from?
I'm from your heart. Where are you from?
From your... What are you doing here?
I'm going to class right now.
Oh. Then who's running heaven? Where are you from? Seriously.
Hello. I'm from Pakistan.
Where are you right now?
China.
You're in
Hello.
China? You're in China right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
How's the weather there today?
The weather is so amazing, but I don't know how to attend the class. You know why? Because
Why?
I'm not interested in class. I'm interested in you.
That was smooth.
Can you open your eyes?
Why?
Like little deep. Can you open your eyes?
Yeah.
Like this. Oh, I can see my future in your eyes. You wanna play better? Yes, better.
Sure.
I will cook you in my. You know what I mean? Wow, guys, double tape, guys, double tape,
Double tap.
double tape.
This product is.
Who put the gloves in your head? Are you serious? Wait, chief,
Yeah.
who put the gloves in your side? Am I look like you put the gloves in your side? Am I that high creator?
What?
Why you put the gloves? Guys, double tape. We want to fight him.
You know what? I'm looking for someone.
Looking for someone?
Yeah, I'm looking for someone.
I
I'm
think
looking
it's
for my
me.
future here. I
I
guess you
think
know
it's
him.
me. Hey, I think it's me.
Where is he?
That's what you look like Jesus. Astaghfirullah. Let me.
Laro lang to, laro.
Egg.
Lagot ka.
Oh.
Yan.
You want car? No, I don't want car. I just want. I don't know what I want. I love you. Abu. I don't love you. Can you ask him who is Justin? All are your people. You want house a lot? No. You want girlfriend? No. You know, I just want.
What?
I don't know. Right. Here's the girl. Wow.
Si Lord.
What
Oo,
do you
kamukha
want?
talaga nila. Kamukha talaga nila si ano.
Hello, Justin. You want motor Jake?
Justin
No,
is
I
my
don't.
boyfriend.
Justin. How is he?
He's beautiful.
It's not about if someone is beautiful, you should love him or it should be love. This is. I didn't expect that you have answered it. You supposed to answer that he's beautiful.
So what do you want to hear?
I just want to hear like
He's beautiful inside and out.
you can say that like he's my life. Astaghfirullah. So where are you from? I didn't ask from you. I'm so sorry. You are so.
I'm from Philippines, but I'm currently living in New York right now.
UA?
No. I'm from Philippines, but I'm currently living in New York right now.
You are. Like, why are the people spamming here? Justin. Are you serious, guys?
Hey, guys, go back here.
No. I know something you want. How do you want Amore? Justin is his husband. What do you want? Yes, I like you. You want girlfriend. You want a ghost. What? I don't know anything. Really, guys?
J of si Papa G. Thank you, thank you, guys. Venus.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's so cold right now outside. You know,
right?
supposed to be. I was supposed to be in my room, but actually we have today 4 class. You look like a astaghfirullah. Don't say this. Astaghfirullah. Justin, baby. Chef,
Yes.
tell me your real name. This one is your real name?
Yeah, Michael.
Oh, what?
Michael.
Michael.
Yeah.
Actually, I have one friend from Philippines. Her name is Mika. Mika? Pusha Mika.
Micah.
Micah, I think Micah. Micah is right.
Yeah.
You look like Justin Doraemon.
Tumigil nga kayo dyan. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, ha?
Why did people say Justin?
Malakas tong kalaban natin, eh.
Hey, Chef, Mika. Show me his picture. Show me, please, one time. You can send me in a personal inbox. But Mika in New York, Mika is Philippine. I know he's so famous. I know. That's why everyone come in here and spamming the same thing. Justin.
This is him.
What?
He's beautiful, right?
Wow, gorgeous, so handsome. I think I didn't see someone like him. Maybe you were. Wow, amazing. Wow.
I'm so lucky, right?
I don't think so. You are lucky.
Huwag kayong tatawa dyan. Nandito si Papa Jesus. Huwag kayong tatawa. Don't laugh. Papa Jesus is here. Don't laugh.
I'm really sorry, my friend, but I don't supposed to be sad, but you have some bad life experience if this is your boyfriend.
No, I'm just kidding.
You like endangered species. La. Let's play one game and then I should.
Yeah, he's Arabic.
Okay.
How do you say how are you in Arabic?
So
Are you
my
Arabic
language is
in
not.
the first place? I mean,
No,
no, you're not.
No.
You're from
This-
Pakistan.
Okay. So you can say كيف حالك. I know something. Okay, كيف حالك. كيف حالك mean
كيف
how
حالك؟
are you?
كيف حالك؟
كيف حالك.
كيف حالك؟
But
Are you
I
Patan?
Yes.
Oh,
I can show you something in
I have
here.
a lot of. I mean, I have a lot of Patan friends in Dubai before.
Oh, can I say something about Patan? I'm really sorry,
Sure.
but actually I'm Patan. I know their behavior and everything. Okay, they're so
I know.
you.
I want to be. I want to visit Pakistan one day.
Seriously, I have to suggest you don't come to Pakistan. Really,
Why not?
really. You should go. As compared to Pakistan, you should visit some another country. It's Ethiopia. You can go South Korea, Japan. Okay.
Mhm.
Pakistan. Don't come Pakistan. The people will. Maybe
You told me
Justin will
people
cry
will
after
people
when you.
people in Pakistan are polite and respectful.
No, but the thing is, Justin will cry after when you come to Pakistan, okay? Because there is a lot of. You go New York. No, why should I go New York?
Why?
I'm in China right now. I have to
Why?
graduate.
Why did you say so? Why did you say so?
Like the people in Pakistan right now, they are so like politely. You can say that they are good, but a lot of things is not good in Pakistan. Like there is some terrorist. Okay, so I should, as a friend, I can give you a suggestion. You should not go.
Okay,
Sorry for fun I have said.
I won't go then.
No problem, everyone. No problem.
When was the last time you went back to Pakistan?
I just came Pakistan the February 21.
Mm.
I went to Pakistan in 3rd January, 3rd of January, and then I go to my friend and then come back.
Oh, you're married?
Obviously.
Really?
No, not I'm married. You can say I'm engaged.
Oh, okay.
Brother,
Can I ask you something?
let me ask you one thing, okay?
Let me ask you first.
Okay. You can ask.
You're engaged to a man or a woman?
In Pakistan, in our religion,
Mm.
woman, man, okay? No, man, woman, okay? Okay, la?
Okay.
Okay. I
I think I don't want to believe you.
Shiva, I can give you one Chinese girlfriend as you want if you want. But you are not interested, that's the thing, okay?
What do you mean? How did you say so?
I think Justin are watching you, that's why you are pretending to be a good man. You are pretending to be a good man, but actually, like yesterday, one Taiwan person, he is interested. You are interested. You are. I tell him like 100 of times, I am not interested. Then he's sending me personal messages. Sobrang Latino? What does it mean, bro?
Sobrang Latino. It means you're so handsome. Guys, mag-babe kayo, magagalit si Papa Jesus.
Sobrang Melody. Thank you so much. Thank you, chef.
Thank you. You have a good one, okay?
What is Kifi? Eh?
Don't mind them. Guys, go back here.
Your supporter is so crazy. Like they are asking
Yes, they
me so
are.
many things. They asking me so many things. What is Justin? And reply. Okay, they are spamming here. Justin. I say, what Justin? What's me? And then you
That's
ask
what
me.
they do
you have-
every time. That's what they do every time. They wanna tell the world about
Oh,
Justin.
like JHOYVY Joy, I think Hinata Joy VC. She or he, I don't know her, but she is asking me, do you like car? Do you like motorbike? I don't like it.
What's her name?
My name, you can call me Fawad. Surname Fawad.
Fawad.
Mm.
Fawad. No, I mean the commenter. What's her name?
Oh, okay. Oh, I have fan following. Okay. Behave na mega kapited. Eh? Behave na MGA mega kapited. What does mean? I
Mahirap pa
love
ng
you for
kausap.
what?
Mahirap pa ng kausap si Lord.
Your people are bro so crazy.
Yeah, they are.
Literally, I'm Mary Chloe. Mamadi. Hi Lord. Astaghfirullah, bro. I'm not a Lord, bro. Are you serious? No. I think come here in Philippines. You like Papa Jesus? I love you for what?
See, they love you.
You have good supporter.
Yeah, they really are. They really are a good supporter. Kung hindi bumaba na mula sa langit, simula na panghukom. Baliw kayo.
Like, Micah, why they are telling me you look like Jesus? I'm not
You,
look like.
because you look like Jesus.
Astaghfirullah, I'm not sure. Can you say Lord Patawad? What does it mean?
Lord, forgive
Love
me.
you, my dear.
Lord, forgive me for I have sinned. Tumigil nga kayo. Visit kayo talaga. Hoy, tumigil kayo. Of course, you know Jesus, right? From Bible.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, you look like Jesus. Because you look like Jesus.
Okay, thank you so much. I know, like my religion is Islam. Okay, so in Islam, our holy book is Quran Majid. So in Quran Majid, there is some verses about the Bible. Okay, I know. Isa alayhi salam, Yusuf alayhi salam. I know everyone.
Yung sa mga puyat ng puyat dyan,
I know
sumama na kayo.
Allah, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Pakistan is Muslim.
Mga, kulang ng tulog palagi dyan, puyat ng puyat, sumama na kayo. Sige na, sinusundo na kayo. Sinusundo na kayo. Grabe ka na.
What does it mean, mahal kita?
I love you.
I love you too. Pakistani yun. Mahal kita, I love you. Oh, thank you so much. But let's play another one. They are trolling me literally.
Yeah.
Guys, double tap.
No. Sumunod kayo kay Lord. Inuutosan kayo ni Lord, sumunod kayo.
Rose, come on. We have to. Okay. Fast. Kaise ho, Bau? Alhamdulillah. Paulo,
Ang kalaban natin.
Pokimo. Thank you. How to say fast in Filipino?
Bilis.
Bilis. You eat Poki. Why should I eat Poki, bro? Bilis. Thank you for your gift. Thank you for your gift.
You know the 10 Commandments?
Hey, what?
You know the 10 Commandments?
Pen command?
10 Commandments.
10 commandment. Commitment. 10 commitment.
Commandments.
Oh, okay.
You know that?
I hear. No. It's just, I'm so sorry. I don't know.
Never mind.
Because I'm so younger. Okay. I have some good future. Okay. So I don't know about these things. Okay. You feel me. Feka. You feel me.
I feel you, bro.
You feel me like and now in this condition. How old are you? I'm 23, but I'm look like 15. No worries, I'm good. I like it. Thank you, bro. Guys, two flower for double. Ask Chef Meko what is Pookie.
I know you know what's spooky.
They are telling me that ask him what is Pookie. Kiss me for what?
For what?
Guys, two flower. How are you? I'm good. Guys, two flower to open the double. Ha 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 ha. How are you? I'm good. I'm well. Alhamdulillah. Guys, two flower. What are you doing? Is I Gashma?
Got it.
Hmm.
Got si Jesus.
You were Galaxy Love. James Kozal. Ask Chef to teach me lingam massage. Astaghfirullah. Yes.
You know what? I never
I'm studying right now.
talked to someone from Pakistan with humor like you.
No worries. I'm here. Are you engaged with a boy or girl? So basically, I'm not engaged. I was just pretending to be because what say I subu kut mochif. Yeah, what the fuck is this, bro? You know
Guys,
you're
thank you.
good.
Kali, thank you. Kali. Venus, thank you. Babak Marie, thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much from the tapping to the follower, from the roses. Whoever commented me that Yamiti mean fast. Eh? Chef tell me that Beles is fast and you say I love you. Oh, really? Really you love me? Justin, why Joy? Why? What is it? What do you mean? What is this name? JHOVY.
JHOVY?
Yes.
Jovi. Tumahimik ka dyan, Jovi, ah.
Joey spamming Justin. Maybe she is more interested in you.
Jovi.
In Justin. Joey is more interested in Justin. I love you, Fawad. I don't love you, but thank you so much for asking. ओए अटेंडेंस का लगा देना कहते फवाद बाहर एक कॉल कर रहा है I love you balik na Sapinas can you say guapo Deepa aku have you tried hello what does you mean have you tried hello
Jaldi
like
jaldi.
you know jaldi
Yeah.
really
Yeah, kasi ho.
कैसे हो how are you oh
TK.
you are gonna give me follow back
TK, sure.
like you are the first person really I have so much enjoy with you ask Chef who is Egler tell me
Huh?
do you have work no so now I am in internship I'm basically clinical medicine I'm an MBBS student okay so I have to work for in hospital next year I have to go to hospital hey Chef tell me who is Egler people are asking you that who is Egler Egler what is mean Angler. Sorry, I'm really sorry, Angler.
Guys, tumigil nga kayo dyan kung ano yung sinasabi nyo, ha?
If you want to earn more, be a model
Jovi.
here in the Philippines. Eh? I will be a model in Philippines? No. I don't think so. Salam Asniya. Salam Walaikum Assalam. Are you good? I hope you will find everywhere.
Kaliwali. Don't read.
Khalli.
Don't read.
Oh, really? You are a medical student? That's good. Oh, so basically, I'm medical student. I'm medical student. I'm like a future doctor, you can say. Inshallah.
What's crazy in your language? Crazy.
No, I will teach you a bad word. Don't,
Yeah, I
don't.
want to know.
Wow, good. Thank you so much, Allah. So when I was coming to China for the first time, okay, though 2021, okay, I learned you Muslim, bro. Alhamdulillah, I'm Muslim. So I just learned bad word first. Like someone is trying to argue with me, then I can say some bad word.
No,
Okay,
pagal. Pagal.
crazy. Chef is
Pagal.
also a nurse. Are you nurse? What
Yeah.
doctor you will be? Rose. So I wanna try to be for the ENT, like eye, ear, nose. Try to be ENT specialized.
Oh, you
Specialization.
can't say bad words because it's
I'm
Ramadan.
Muslim. Oh, nice to see you. Wow.
Ramadan Mubarak.
Ramadan Mubarak. So I have fasting. Like now I'm fasting.
Oh,
Alhamdulillah.
okay.
Oh.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum. I will teach you one bad word, okay?
Okay.
Then let's play a match. Then I will teach you some bad words, like how to say in your language. Are you fasting for what? Yes, mashallah. Like now I'm fasting right now. Like the time 9:51. Okay, 9:51 in the morning. You can say bad word if you are fasting. Like I'm not like you can good like okay. I'm teaching bad word. Don't say bad word, but I'm teaching him bad word. You can say bad word. Okay. My people are, I don't know your people are telling me that don't say bad word.
Guys,
Really?
behave.
No. Okay. Don't worry. Let them speak. They are good because they are trying to give me something. Oh, good. Okay. Thank you, guys. I will because you're fasting.
Have you been to the
look-
Philippines?
I have well. Because it's Ramadan Fawad, after then you can. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. I will not, but I will something teach him some. You can say a good word, or someone trying to ask sheep what is subrang daldal.
Talkative.
Literally, chef, your people is so. When you will visit Philippines in the future, I have to like.
We've been in the Philippines.
Oh, okay. Chef, I'm telling you something. Like in my future, I was thinking about something. Like I have to go to Indonesia, okay, Singapore, Philippines, okay, like so many Ireland, Netherlands, New Zealand, and Switzerland. I have to go to this country. How old are you? You are a jolly. Thank you. Oh, guys, two flower. How old are you, Fawad? I'm 23, bro. But look like 15. It's good study medicine here in
Your
Philippines.
height.
Oh, okay.
Your height.
Maybe I can try to graduate and something for like after graduation I went to Philippines for experience, as you can say, specialization. Maybe
Africano.
I will try. I will try my best.
Religion. What's your height, bro?
Guess.
6 flat.
5'10".
Okay.
What about you? Oh, Rose, you and
I'm
Rose.
5'11".
Just maybe I will to try to more exercise, then I will be up. There is so many foreigners study medicine here. Oh, okay. I have to try. Chef, how old are you? Music. Assalamu alaikum, yaar. Kya hai? ठीक
Can
हो?
you guess?
Alhamdulillah. Kuabin, alhamdulillah, khair khairiyat hai.
Can you guess? Alright.
Oh, you look so beautiful. Can you turn the
Guess what?
And also you have some beautiful tattoos. Don't say 45. Literally you are he's 45? Are you serious, guys? 35. Okay, let the ask from chat, okay. 35, 45, okay. Then okay, 34. Okay, chat, come on. 16, 25, 34.
Mary
Okay.
Grace.
I think you are 28. Am I right? 28.
No, you're wrong.
69. Oh no, do it.
Age
Hold
doesn't
on.
matter. Apple.
It doesn't matter.
Hello, baby.
Yes, this is right. If this we all are, he is just 23, okay. But really, if he is 23, he look older. Really, you look older.
No, I'm not 20.
Maybe you are sleeping right now. That's why you are doing this like this. You look like, but you look good. 34. Performance doesn't matter. Where, bro? Mahika? No, Busha Mahika. Miss J? Performance does matter. Okay. Your teeth is so good. Don't baby face. No, I don't think he's a baby. He have some good mustaches, and also some good eyebrows, and also some good smiley face, charming. Can you smile one time for me? He's 34. No!
Yeah, I'm 34.
I guess you are 28.
Thank you.
But if you are 34, it means you look younger.
Appreciate.
28.50. You're both handsome. Thank you for your compliment. Thank you. Happy to see you. Chef is a good dancer. Ask him to dance Ice Cream Yummy.
Shush. Shush your mouth, guys.
They're telling me Chef is a good dancer, okay?
No, that's not true.
Really, they are telling me Chef is a good dancer. Good dancer. What does it happen? Okay. Chef is a good singer too.
You got a nice hair.
Yes, he is. Are you a singer?
No.
Can you speak the song of... Oh, no, leave it. Oh, thank you, Jen. Thank you so much. How about you dance or sing? Do you dance or sing? No, I have my singing skill is so good, but it's fasting. I'm fasting right now, and it's Ramadan Kareem. But I was trying to.
Can you sing for us?
Not today. Maybe in the night.
Why not?
Not in the day. We will sing tonight. Okay.
Why not? Just as one line.
You didn't understand what I'm telling. Like, we will sing together night. Don't worry. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. My dream there.
You're bad.
Above there.
Bawal sa kanila eh. Cleansing sila eh.
Andy, when you are so funny. Like she's telling me that sing inside bathroom or can you tell me chef in Kanyang maga anak niya natito? What does it
F
mean?
naman ang slow mo. Hindi kasi ako
Ask chef to please sing.
hindi ako malisyoso.
Sing.
Inosente ako sa ganyan.
Sing. Chef, sing, please. Just one line from me. Try to cut your hair. Actually, I have to cut my hair, but like I was so busy. Literally, I was so busy in these days. Like I have, in a day, I have 4 and 5 classes. I don't have a time to go outside for market to cut my hair. So now I have Rose join. Okay, chef, sing one song.
Let's sing tonight.
Oh, no. What's about your nation? What is your nation? Oh, so my nationality is Pakistani. Okay, Rose. Can you move closer to phone? We can't hear that too much. Okay. Now, is it okay? Okay. Oh, so, like, can you sing choreo? Huh? They're telling that all the babies in India are watching you. Guys, I'm watching. Please behave. Ask Chef to sing. He's a good singer. Trust me.
Talaga
Like,
kayo.
I already asked him, but he is trying to say that we will sing together in a night time. That's why I'm just controlling myself to not misbehave with him. Like he's my good friend from now for the future in my dream.
You're fasting, huh? Don't talk like that.
Tell or that Chef we are here. Huh? Class khatam shu? Bas Zabandoma. It's me, Ara. Welcome, Ara. Are you student? Obviously, I'm student. Maraza dear got viewership teraza. Guys, behave. I can do screenshot here. No screenshot. No screenshot. What do you know how to drive?
Thank you so much.
I know how to drive someone. Astaghfirullah.
Oh God.
What is your course, brother? So, right now I'm studying clinical medicine. Okay. In the future, I will drive someone. No, it doesn't mean drive someone. I was telling you like, I'm a good teacher. I know how to teach someone to drive a car. Good answer. Zidara, class khatam sho. Hey, Aves, अगली class कब है? 2 बजे. Astaghfirullah. Hey, this is your type, okay? I will just wait. This is some Chinese, okay? Maybe you can. Oh,
Gotta go now.
No, Chef. He's not a man, not a boy, not a girl. He's in between. Okay, you can understand that. What does it mean?
The what?
Sheban. Hey, look, Jalala da khudumra gata da. She's so fat. Literally, I don't know how she is doing.
Oh fuck.
Every good friend is a good enemy. Chef, I have to go right now, okay? For my next class, okay? I will
Alright.
come by, then I have to message you. Okay. Thank you
Alright.
so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Literally, chef, and your people they are supporting me.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Be safe.
Thank you so
Safe.
much, every person who is trying to commenting here, to tell me something about Philippines. So thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. Everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye, chef.
Bye,
We
Fawad.
will sing. Okay. We will
Yeah.
sing. Okay. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon with chef. Okay. Chef.
Nice meeting
Bye
you.
bye.
Have a good one.
Good one. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Allah Hafiz.
Ang bait niya, no? Ano, gusto ko yung humor niya. Kung ano na kasi sinasabi. Malungkot. Ayoko nang malungkot. Kanina nasa ano tayo. Tapos ngayon, nasa ano naman tayo. No, maganda yung humor niya. FB5. FB5. Okay siya, hindi ka siya tulad ng ibang. Totoo yan, mami. Asa na si Lady Sparkle? Glitter Sparkle po yun. Ay, ito. Ito, gusto ko to. Gusto ko itong makausap. Wait. Huwag to. Ito. Gusto kong kausapin to. Matutuwa kayo dito. Tingnan nyo ah. Wait lang. Ito, matutuwa kayo dito. Ito, matutuwa kayo dito. Matutuwa kayo dito. Ito. Hintayin nyo lang. Kung nag-accept ha. Kung mag-accept. Ay, hindi siya nag-accept. Isa pa. Matutuwa kayo dito. Ay, hindi siya nag-accept. Pa yan? Busy siguro. Hindi, baliw kayo. Hindi, ito. Saglit nga, stock ko nga siya. Natutuwa kayo dito. Pati ako natutuwa dito eh. Busy siya. Kumakain siya. Wait na.
I was going to the river to wash all the clothes of the Victoria's Secret salon. Hi, welcome to my live. Mag-transform ka ba na magiging fairy mamaya? Yung long hair mo?
Ito.
Yeah. Sayang hindi ka pa nalunod. You know what? Since I was immortal and even if I gonna drown in the
Matutuwa kayo dito. Saglit lang ha.
still alive.
Wait lang.
I am immortal and yeah, I was able to reincarnate and reciprocate, my life's expansion. Yeah. Where's your long hair? My long hair is in the longitudinal hanger. Yeah. Binasahon ta ikaw. What do you mean?
Ay, si Alingir na.
Hello, Nak. Good morning.
Bye!
I'm eating kangaroo rice.
I'm eating kangaroo rice. Ang ginagawa mo na
Nagaluto. Sabi nila, invite daw kita.
Ako nagalulo.
Sana all.
Sana all.
Ako magabagong buhay na. Alam mo na, parang pasama na ako ng pasama nitong mga nakaraang dekada eh. Parang
Ngayon mo lang na-realize, Nay.
na-realize ko rin lang. Kasi,
Ngayon mo lang na-realize nung malapit na.
parang papunta na ako pa sa tanas na ako eh. Kulang na ako sa sungay.
Kaya mo na hindi ka nila tatanggapin sa impyerno.
Nahiya na nga si Satanas sa panungkit. Kamusta na ang puso?
Ayos naman, Nay. Ito.
Nag-usap kami ni Justin. Yung nag-drawing siya. Mag-painting.
Oo nga, nakita ko yung painting niya, yung isda. Parang yin-yang.
Akala ko yun, ano ba ang sinabi ko noon? Manok? Akala ko manok. Mukhang manok kasi. Sabi ko, akala ko manok.
Natapos.
Oo. Wala kang work? Kung full-time TikToker ka na, parang mas masaya pa sa TikTok na, wag na magtrabaho.
Hindi pwedeng hindi. Ano ko ngayon, nag-resign ako sa trabaho ko last month kasi kaya, hinihintay ko yung isang trabaho. Meron na.
Ano trabaho? Para sa ano yan, para sa future.
Pahinga muna ako ngayon kasi, tagal ko na nagtatrabaho. Pahinga lang ako 1 buwan.
Kaya nga, di ba? Ako din, parang na ako, buong buhay ko, naging pagod na ako sa trabaho eh.
Oo, sarap nang umuwi sa Pilipinas.
Pag uwi sa Pilipinas, magastos din.
Nabi mo po.
Ano ang mo ngayon? Ang emote?
Wala, nakaiga lang. Hindi naman ako makatulog.
Anong oras na dyan?
Tawa sa mga to. 9:00.
Gabi? Wow! Ayos ang wallpaper
Ganda, no?
Haba na naman ang buhok ni Justin yan.
Ganda niya, no, Nay?
Oo, pero mabait talaga yung bata na yun, kahit binabardagol ko. Nakilala ko yan dati, di ba? Parang sila, supporter lang ng Team Bardagulan.
Oo, tama.
Sila yan nila, marami yan sila. Pero
si Lyric?
Oo.
No, marami sila.
Kung sa Pilipinas, hindi ko na yung lagyan. Meron dito sa Korea, kaya lagyan ko aking pansit. Pansit na ito na pang mahirap, yung parang nylon.
Parang gusto ko rin magluto ng pansit. Naglalagay din ako ng celery sa pansit na masarap.
Masarap, di ba?
Masarap pag may celery.
Isang kunti lang. Or sabihin niyo, pag may niluluto ako masunog na naman. Nakailang sunog na ako sa live. Hindi niyo ako binabantayan.
Pero gumagawa ka rin ng kimchi, Nay, kapag kimchi season.
Gumagawa ako. Minsan hindi ako nag-content kasi na-stress ako. Kung sino magkakamera sa akin.
Okay.
Sariling sikap ko minsan ang content ko. Ako ang mag-video.
Ay. Tapos ikaw
Oo. Pero kung nasa mood Subin, siya nag-edit ng mga video ko pag magaganda ang mga
Anong camera gamit mo?
Ito lang din, yung cellphone ko lang din. Wala akong mga gadget. Kaya di ba halos ang content ko, mga isang take lang yan. Kasi mainitin nga ang ulo ko, paulit-ulit lang.
Tama. Bumili ka ng anong tawag niyan? Drone. Para bang nagluluto ka, nagdo-drone ka. Sa taas yung kuha.
Wala nga akong hawakan na nag-iikot, maga-drone pa ako. Baka pati ang drone, mag-away kami sa drone. Mag-away kami. Dati ang kaaway ko, sarili ko lang, nadagdagan pa ng drone. Yeah, di ba ang mga ano ko plain lang?
Oo. Tripod ang kailangan mo, may tripod ka.
Wala. Yung natural lang na vlogger na pang mahirap version. Yun lang.
Pero may mga ini-endorse kang mga product, di ba na?
Oo, MQ Kitchen, yung Manic Beauty, yung Yoglo Babe.
Kasi yung mga product kinuha mo sa Pilipinas, pinadala dyan o ano?
Pinadala, tapos yung iba dala ko dito nung umuwi ako. Kaya yun. Hello, thank you sa mga gifters. Asan ba si Justin ngayon?
Baka tulog pa yun, Nay. Late na.
Tawagan mo, sabi mo magsikaan tayo.
Hello. Baka tulog pa niya, alas 10 pa lang. Anong oras na siya nagising eh. Anong oras na siya natulog eh.
Nakakatawa yung ano na yung pagmamahal sa inyo ng taong dalawa. Natutuwa ako. Sa inyong dalawa ni Justin. Parang ngayon, no, parang ang mga ibang mga tao ngayon, parang open na sila sa mga bagay-bagay.
Oo, sobra.
Alam mo, ako sa mga, hindi din ako masyadong fan ng sa mga gay na couple. Pero nung nagustuhan ko yung tambalan ni, yung, ito sabihin ng lalaki sa lalaki. Nagustuhan ko talaga si Briggs at saka si Christian. Kinilig talaga ako ng tambalan silang dalawa niya. At kinikilig ako sa Katnel, naghiwalay pa. Thank you sa mga nagigit. Hi, Will. Relax ang ating live ngayon. Unahin ko muna. Ano ka lang unahin ko? Sibuyas. Wala akong sibuyas. Bawang. Wala pala akong bawang. Nak, mag-end live muna ako. Wala pala akong bawang sibuyas.
Mamalingki ka?
Oo, magapalingki ako. Yun nakaluto na ako. Hindi masarap pag walang bawang sibuyas.
Tama.
Nak, thank you. Mamaya na lang.
Sige na, ingat ka.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Oy, magbabay muna ako. Gisingin ko si uncle nyo at magpalingki kami.
Sige na.
Thank you.
Sige, bye-bye. Ayaw mag-accept nito eh. Sayang. Matatawa sana tayo dito. Invite Batosay. Bakit i-invite si Batosay? Hindi ko naman kilala si Batosay. Donald. Invite mo si Mami Jupeta. Bakit ko i-invite si Mami Jupeta? Hindi. Naka-live ba siya? Hindi naman siya naka-live eh. Kung naka-live siya, invite ko siya.
Ay, mami, maglaway jud kaayo ko nimo. Makahinumdum magud ko og anangaon nig iba. Ay, kahinumdum.
Okay man daw. Friend ng Bandagulan, chef member siya. Si Batosay? Oo, kilala ko siya. Nadadaanan ko siya sa ano. Ay, baka iba yun. Iba pala yun. Selena. Hindi, para may makausap tayo, makakulitan tayo. Si Merga kasi ayaw naman mag-accept eh. Kakainis naman si Merga. Maganda to kasi magkakuntuan. Nakakatuwa. Wala, ayaw niya eh.
To be called Merga. But both Ate
Ito
and
siya.
Kuya is fine for me, so yeah, it's okay. Hello, Chef Maiko. I'm sorry because nahiya ako. I'm sorry if I can't accept your co-host request because yeah, I'm really sorry. Ay, buhay ka pa pala. Right?
Nakakatawa to.
You know what? I'm immortal. I'm not gonna die. So, yeah, it's fine for me.
Ito siya.
So, guys, ito nga po kung paano ako umakyat. So, let's see.
Nakakatawa to.
I'm immortal, so I'm not gonna die.
Naiya daw siya. Ayaw daw niya.
Hello. Good morning.
Bait niyan.
Hello po, Chef Maiko. I'm so sorry about your co-hosting because yeah, I'm shy.
I'm shy, sabi.
But thank you so much for joining my live.
Invite ko siya.
I can.
Mahiyain siya. Bagong puts pa po kayo.
Bagong foods pa po kayo. Yeah.
Kayo mag-live tapos invite niyo mga gusto
After
niyo.
this, we're going to the river to wash our clothes there and
Lah, ganda naman ng ngiti ni Papa Smurf. Yan. Nung kahapon. Chef, anong name niya? Ano nga? Sugudin niyo nga siya. Ito. Ang ano niya, ang username niya, Call Me Marga. Yan o. Yung Call Me Marga. Call Me Marga. Yan. Sugudin niyo siya. Guys, sige na. Lahat kayo. Lahat kayo sumugod. Call Me Marga. Sige na, masayang kausap to. Tanungin natin siya ng kung ano.
hello po, good morning.
Call Me Marga.
Thank you so much for following me.
Sige na.
Thank you so
Ayan.
Thank you for following. Hello. Oh my gosh. Thank you po. Hello, I'm so happy and
Sige,
really?
sugurin nyo.
Oh my gosh. Thank you po for following. Mo daw si Chef. Accept please. Ayaw po.
Ayaw niya.
Nahiya ako, I'm sorry.
Ayaw niya.
Hala.
Sige, sigurin nyo.
Viewers, oh my God, thank you so much guys. Thank you po for joining and for...
Ang dami nila doon ng 101 na bigla. Kanina 3 lang yung viewer niya.
Nahiya ako. I'm sorry guys.
Ayaw niya. Naiya daw siya.
Is watching your live? Yes. Nahiya ako. I'm sorry. Ano ba yung wala sabi ni Chef?
Sinugod nila. Ang dami na nila doon. No?
Oh my God. Nahiya talaga ako. I'm really sorry.
Invite ko ulit. Masarap kausap to.
Oh my God. Dahil... Okay, I'm gonna...
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go down.
Wala, I'm so sorry guys. Nahiya talaga ako.
Masherry?
Pero dahil requested you,
Yeah.
okay.
Basement.
Go girl.
You did?
Thank you for following.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
Alright.
This is your chance.
Alright.
Hi. Yes. I'm sorry po kasi nahihiya ako.
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm fine. Oh my gosh, mapapa-English ako dito. Go.
Guys, thank you. Thank you. Kanina pa kita ini-invite.
Nahihiya talaga ako mag-co-host kayo kasi di ako sanay.
I wanna ask you a question. That's why.
Okay.
Are you ready for our questions?
Sure, why not? I'm ready. It's okay, Marga. Oh my God.
Guys,
Thank you guys for following.
You can ask any question you want.
Yes. So what is your question, sir?
Okay, here's my question.
At least si Chef nag-invite, wag na mahiya. Yeah. Nahiya talaga. Oh my God, I'm so speechless right now because I'm in front of... Oh my gosh. Nahiya ako.
Define equilibrium.
Well, I can define equilibrium because it is a tantrum disorder of the infinite number and it is evaporating to the different situation of the infinite number. That's why the mathematical expression is debugging the specific problem in the mathematics disorder. So that's why it is decomposing the different number of the problem. So it's
Laro! Ate ko laro! Ate ko laro! Nahiya siya. Ate ko laro. Hindi. Ano talaga siya? Nagpapatawa talaga siya. Ang galing. Galing, no? Umalis. Tinagkutawa mo kasi siya. Hindi, nagpapatawa kasi talaga siya. Ay. Ready nyo na yung mga tanong nyo. Nawala siya. Nag-end live siya. Nag-end live. Ate ko laro. Nalobat siguro. Nag-end live siya. Bigla siya nag-end. Ate ko laro. Ang ganda pa naman kausap nun. Tignan niyo yung mga ano niya kasi. Ito tignan niyo. Yan o. Define
is the assassination of the
Define EDSA People Power Revolution. Ito siya.
Define ni EDSA People Power Revolution. It is the assassination of 30 million people during the parade of EDSA People Power catastrophes of the choosing the leader of electrifying the COMELEC and providing the leader of our governance. The community will provide attendance and gigabyte voltage of their choosing leader to promote the happiness of the Spaniard colony that provide us a cage of the transition of our disorder and Down syndrome by promoting the debugging disorder of the hamburger and promoting the vitamins of the generic pharmacy. Create as a happiness headache and promote attendance and gigabyte colon cancer, and it will give us a very stressful minded and heartfelt feeling of the defining EDSA.
Masarap siyang kausap. Kasi ganyan siya. Magaling siya. Magaling siyang kung ano yung sinasabi niya. Ba't ba kasi hinukay yan? Pati generic pharmacy na nananahimik eh. Nadamay. Wala na siya. Nag-end live na siya. Sino to? Ang dami nag-i-invite sa akin. Hindi ko naman kakilala eh. He looks nice. Oo, mabait siya. Pero nagpapatawa siya, di ba? Hindi naman siya seryoso sa mga ano niya. Ang content niya magpatawa. Kaya tayo natatawa. Kaya ako natatawa. Kung hindi naman patawa yung content niya, hindi naman ako tatawa eh. Diba? Kakastama.
What? Can you swim? Please show us. Well, yeah. If angle A is equal to 40 degrees and if angle A is equal to 40 degrees and angle B is equal to 40 degrees, then find the angle of C. The angle of C is equal to 50-50 degrees. Why? Because the car accident is evaporating to the ambulance to call 911 disorder of all the 50-50 cardiac arrest by evaporating tantrum disorder of the infinite number, so that we can also reciprocate and evaporate the envelope to transparency and elevate the powerful impact of the infinite number, so that we can also divide the carrying disorder of 50-50 seconds into the table of the contents, to the catalog of all the indexes and of photography into the number of 30-second triangle, so that we can also reciprocate the
Galing niya, di ba? Para siya may parisan. Marga, nakakainis naman si Marga. Oo, si Diwata. Sakit ng tiyan ko. Ang bait niya, no? Napaka-humble, napaka-mahihain. Ate ko laro. Nilaro niya tayo. Hanap tayo iba. Hello po. Hi, Michael. . Madilim na dyan, Michael. Gabi na.
Ang ina pong buhos mo.
Ha? Malungkot si Michael. Snowflakes keychain. Thank you. Laro ka, chef. Another version lang ni Miss Everything at Miss Catering. Oo nga eh. Kilala nyo rin si ano? Si Hala. Si Hala. Hala. Yung pag binagsakan mo ng gift, tumatalon-talon. Patras. Tawang-tawa ako. Pati nga ako natawa. Oo, si Hala, guys. Hala, guys. Hala. Tawang-tawa ako dun, nga. Binabagsakan ko rin ng gift yun eh. Yung nasa bukid, oo. Tapos nagpapagawa na siya ng bahay nila ngayon eh. No? Rachel. Taray. Ay, ate.
Hi!
Hello.
Taray talaga kuya, yung bungad.
Hindi mo kasi ako pinansin. Ang ginagawa mo?
Ay, sorry naman. Masasaing.
Ilan sa saing mo? Ilan isa sa
Kaming dalawa lang na anak ko kakain. Hindi kunti lang. Kunti lang. Taga saan ka, kuya?
Pangasinan. Ikaw?
Sorsogon, Bicol. Pero dito kami sa Laguna.
Saan kayo sa Laguna?
Sa Kabuyaw. Banay-banay.
Kabuyaw. Meron kaming property dyan sa San Pedro.
Tutok ka na naman sa
Pedro Laguna.
San Pedro, Laguna. Okay.
Bicolana ka pala.
Bicolana. Sorsogon.
Prince, oo, pwede. Sige, Ate Richel. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye.
Sige. Ingat din po. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Magpa-up ako. Tapos magtatanong. Wala naman. Hindi naman kayo nagtatanong. Magpa-up ako. Hindi naman kayo nagsasalita.
Datang garapal na pag-peg pala.
Nakakatakot. Wait lang, bababa ako. May check lang ako. Sige, mag-up. Isa-isa. Isa-isang up. Wait lang. Mama Sherry? Okay, sige, magpa-up tayo. Okay? Isa-isa. Ay, nandito na yung mahal ko. Nakita ko na yung mahal ko, nandyan sa baba. Si ano muna. Sige na, mag-request na. Mag-request na yung mga gusto mag-up. Dito ako sa baba. Sige na, mag-request na yung gusto mag-up. Okay. Sige. Mahal, nandyan na si mahal ko. Ayan ko si... Wait lang ha. Okay. Ito.
Dad, ba't ako nauna?
Jonavi! Ikaw na!
Naiya tuloy ako.
Hindi yan na sinasabi ko sa inyo ha.
Madilim. Ano sa pool?
Oh. Wala, nag-mute. Oh. Mag-open cam ka. Huwag ka mag-mute. O, anong itatanong mo? Nahiya naman siya.
Nanginginig ako, Dad. Maingay lang talaga ako sa comment. Tahimik ako dito.
O, anong gusto mong tanongin sa akin? Isang tanong lang. Sige na.
Ano, Dad? Okay lang ba hindi sumama sa Alaminos?
Yeah, kailangan sumama ka. Requirement yan.
Kulang sa budget, Dad.
Kaya mo yan.
Student lang po.
December pa. Punan mo.
Ako, yan na nalaglag. Hindi pwede malalaglag yan.
Estudyante lang, Dad. Mahirap.
Hindi talaga kaya. Eh, wala tayong magagawa.
Okay lang, Dad. Support na lang kami. Kahit hindi makasama doon.
Thank you ah. Thank you, Jonavi.
Okay. Baba na ako, Dad. Nakakaya.
Sige na, Ben. Baba na. Salamat. Next. Nahiya naman kayo. Huwag kayo mahiya. Ang dadaldal nyo, tapos nahiya kayo. Oh, si Yani.
Hi, Dad!
Hello, Be. Open cam. Madadaldal. Nakakahiya kaya kausap ka. Ah, bakit nakahiya kayong kausap ako? Ang dadaldal nyo nga. Hala, wala kang sound. Di kita marinig. Walang sound.
Umuulan.
Ay. Bakit parang kasalanan?
Nakalimutan ko tuloy yung tanong ko.
Bakit parang kasalanan ko?
Hi.
Bakit parang kasalanan ko? Oh, sige.
Ay, sorry. Sorry po.
Mama Sherry? I'll do it.
Look. Nanging.
It's quite a bit in the machine, so they gotta rerun it.
Oh. O ano itatanong mo?
Nanginginig yung kamay
Sige na.
ko. Nanginginig yung kamay ko.
Bakit ka nanginginig?
Hindi ko din alam.
Natanginig mo? Ako lang to.
Hindi ko din alam bakit nanginginig yung kamay ko.
Gusto mo lang ma-experience. Like, wala
Sige,
kang
ano.
That's fine.
Ano.
Love kita? Oo, love kita.
Ay.
La.
Mahal din namin kayo, Dad. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Thank you so much.
Dad, masasabi mo bang kayo na talaga hanggang sa dulo ni Mama Tin?
Sa ngayon,
Mama.
gusto ko sana ganun ang mangyari. Kung ano yung ididikta ng panahon sa atin. Sa amin dalawa. Yun yung mangyayari. Kasi, hindi tayo pwedeng, kung ako lang yung masusunod, oo, bakit hindi? Pero
Talaga naman. Haba ng hair ni Mama Tin.
panahon pa rin ang magsasabi. Okay?
Okay po.
Alright. Sige na.
Sige, bye-bye. Thank you po. Thank you, Dad.
Bye.
Bye. Bye po.
Hiyang-hiya ka naman. Wait. Okay. O next. Next tayo. Unahin natin si... Sige, si ano. Si Mian. Mian? Mian? Nasaan ka na, Mian? Wait lang.
Yan. Hi po.
Hi.
Wait lang, asan yung on cam?
Pwede na po ba kayo
Asan yung on cam?
Ay, hindi ka pa pwedeng mag-open ng camera mo.
Ay, bawal pa. Hi po. Si Chef. Si Chef? Hi, Chef. Hi po. Ba't
Hi.
po ang pogi nyo? At ba't nag-iisa ka lang sa mundo?
Marami kami, hindi pa na-discover yung
Ay,
iba.
marami po ba kayo? Kamusta ka po?
Ayos naman. Ito, lumalaban pa rin sa buhay.
Ay, same po. Ano yan sa letter? Ano? Wait
Taga-san
lang.
ka?
Po?
Taga-san ka?
Taga Cavite po.
Mian.
Taga puso nyo.
Guys, follow me sa inyo. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate.
Po?
Thanks for subscribing.
You're welcome po. Mahal na mahal ka ng mama ko. Anak niya lang
Mahal
po
ko din
to.
ang mama mo.
Ipagpapalit ka na niya kay Papa. Ipagpapalit na si Papa pala.
Nakasira pa ako ng pamilya. Naging homewrecker pa ako.
Hindi naman.
Naging homewrecker pa ako.
Kaya talaga na tawa na siya.
Sabi mo kay mama mo, mahal na mahal ko din siya. Okay?
O sige po. Palipad na siya ng New York. Uunahan niya na si Kuya Justin.
Ay, naku.
Pogi!
Salamat ha. Thank you so much.
Masaya ka ngayon, Chef? Hi, Chef!
Hello, mama.
Mama po. Ayan ang nanay ko. Ako daw magtanong, kinikilig daw siya.
Anong pangalan ng mama mo? Mayan?
Yes po, Mayan po.
Hi. Ate Mayan ba? Ate ba?
Opo, matanda.
Ano?
Joke lang.
Ate
Ay,
Mayan.
Chef, itong pogi mo.
Salamat.
Buti nga. Akong kausap eh. Nung ka.
Mag-ina nga kayo.
Yes!
Nilalaglag ang nanay.
Nilalaglag ang nanay.
Laro.
Alam mo ba, Chef? Tuwing madaling araw, inaabangan ka niya.
Talaga? Ala, grabe.
Hindi siya natutulog.
Ala? Totoo ba yan?
Okay na, Chef. Matutulog na ako.
Ate Mayan ha? Matulog ka.
Matutulog na ako ngayon, Chef. Nakita na kita at nakausap.
Salamat. Salamat sa support ha.
Yes po.
Fawad! Sige na, Ate Mayan, baba na kita. Ingat ka palagi.
Bye po.
Ingat kayo palagi. Okay?
Yes po.
Fawad! Shout out! Okay. Guys. Fawad, thank you. Appreciate. Ang dami naman yun. That's a lot. Wait, guys. Something came in. Kailangan ko na mag-end. Kailangan ko mag-end live. Wait lang. Magre-relive na lang ako. Maya-maya. Love you, sabi ni Fawad. Love you too. Call mo, Justin. Wait lang, mag-end muna ako. Babalik ako. Saglit lang. Maaga pa naman eh. Something came in. Okay? Importante lang. Alright, saglit lang.